Good morning, students. Today we will start Chapter 1, Computer and Electronic Device. Please turn to page number 6 and try to read with me. Computer is an electronic device almost everywhere. A computer is a man-made machine. It is used in many places like schools, hospitals, railway station, airport, supermarkets, etc. A computer helps us to do many things. We can draw pictures. It helps us to draw freehand drawings on MS Paint. Type letters. It helps us to type words, sentences, and notes. Play games. It helps us to play online games and offline games. Solve sums. We can solve math sums based on addition, subtraction, etc. on the computer. Turn to page number 7. Watch movies and cartoons. We can watch cartoons and movies on the computer at home or in school. Listen to music. We can easily listen to rhymes and songs which can be played on the computers at home or in school. Now let's see the difference between a computer and a man. Computer versus man. A computer works very fast and can do many jobs at the same time. A man needs more time to do any work as compared to a computer. Now, a computer can do many tasks together. For example, we can type on WordPad and at the same time we can listen to music on the computer and even get a printout from the printer. Whereas man can do only one task at a time. Number 2. A computer has a good memory. It never forgets anything that is stored in it. A man may forget the information stored in his mind. Now, a computer remembers everything once it stores the information in the CPU, whereas a man may forget the information as he is a human being and human beings tend to forget things. Turn to the next page, page number 8. Third, a computer does not make mistakes. A man can make mistakes. A computer is a machine, so it does not make mistakes if it is given the right command. Whereas a man is a human being and may make some mistakes while doing his work. A computer cannot take its own decisions. A man can take his own decisions. Now, a computer cannot take its own decisions because it is a machine, whereas a man can take decisions himself. A computer works on a man's order. A man does not need any order to work. A computer follows all the instructions given to it by the user. whereas a man has a will of his own and does whatever he feels like doing. A computer does not have any feelings. For example, if you hit a monitor, it does not react. A man has feelings. For example, if you get hurt, you will feel it. A computer does not have any feelings because it is a machine, whereas a man has feelings because he is a human being. Your homework for today, you'll turn to page number 13 and will do exercise B, true and false with pencil. Second, page number 16, do exercise A. Draw arrows from the boxes to the picture of a man or a computer that they match with. Thank you.